Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to configure or set up the root user password on Linux machine. Most of the commands that require root user privileges can easily be run from any other user by using the sudo command. But however, knowing the root user password is always nice because by then you know the password of the root user. You can easily switch to the root user and execute whatever command that you want to execute from the root user directly. Now, with that being said, let me show you how you can do this. First, I am on my command prompt here. I'll use the command su to switch the user from this current user to the root user, because whenever you use the su without any argument, it will take you directly to the root user. So, but if you use the su with any username or user account that you want to switch to that particular user, it will take you directly to that user. But now I'm using the su command alone, which would take me to the root user. Now hitting enter from my keyboard after entering the su command would ask me to enter the password. Now this password is not the password of the current user, but the password of the root user. And obviously I don't have it. That is the purpose of this video, right? So now if I enter the password of this current user, now look at the authentication has failed, right? Because the password of the current user is not the root user password. Hence this message. Now for me to successfully switch from the current user to the root user, I need to have the root user password. But I don't have it. So what I need to do is to set it up. And setting up the root user password is not that difficult. What you need to do is, while you are at the prompt, you need to enter sudo space password, but not password as a complete spelling. You just need to enter passwd, one word. And hitting enter from my keyboard, it will ask me to enter the new password. So here I will enter the password that I want my root user to be having. I'll enter that and hit enter from my keyboard, and then it will ask me to retype the new password. So just a way of confirmation. So after typing the root password, look at the message. Message here is saying that the password updated successfully. So I have successfully changed or updated the password of my root account. Now, anytime I enter the su command, meaning anytime I want to switch to the root user account, I just need to enter this specific password that I just configured. So I'll try it. So remember I said that you can use su alone without specifying the user account, and it will take you to the root user. But if you so wish, you can decide to enter the user account, which is what I'm doing right now. So I enter su space root to switch to the root user, and then I'll enter the new password that I just configured, and look at, I have successfully switched from the current user to the root user. Now if I want to go back to the ordinary user, the account that I just come from, I can easily do that by, but in this case I'll specify the user account or the username that I want to switch to. So su space seidu, which is the user that I want to switch to. Now I have successfully switched from the root user to the user seidu. I'll show you one more time. So entering su from the user seidu, it will take me straight to the root user. But before then, I have to specify the password. So hitting enter from my keyboard, it will take me straight to the root user account. Alright guys, that's how to configure the root user password on a Linux machine. I hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.